Hi everyone, I wanted to go through how to add on the folders that are for the rest of the trimester that Patrick Hoover created. So the first thing you need to do if you've not done so already is you need to join the CHOLM Frequently Asked Questions group, or Schoology Help is what I call it. So you have to click on Groups, go to My Groups, Join Group, and put in the join code that I sent to you, and then join. I'm already a member, so it wouldn't let me join, but it would let you join at this point. Then you're going to go back to your courses, and you're going to pick, I'll pick a course that I don't have running right now, but if you pick a course that you want to add it to, you want to, if you look here, like everyone else, this has the weeks down through September 14th. So we're going to add material, and then we're going to import from resources. You're going to click Group, CHOLM Schoology Help. Click on Daily Folders for T1, and then it'll open up, and there are all the folders. So now I'm going to click this white button next to Title, and that selects them all. I'm going to hit Import, Import, and they're all here now. So once you have them all here, if you don't want them all listed, remember you can click the little gear next to any one of them and put Unpublish, and then that way it is not visible to the students, and you can do that with all of them or any of them that you want to do, but inside of each one you can already see that the days are already there for you, and you should be all set. Remember, you must be part of the group in order for that to work, so make sure that you join our CHOLM Schoology Help group beforehand, and then the resources will be available to you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I'll help you out.